Samsung Galaxy S3 has 4.8, while HTC One X has a 4.7-inch screen, which results in almost a noticeable difference. Super AMOLED screen on Samsung has a bit better contrast, but saturation is advantage on HTC Super LCD2 screen, along with bigger pixel density. Both screens are HD resolution. One X has unibody polycarbonate case, and it is compact and sturdy. Although more plastic and slightly bigger, Samsung Galaxy 3 feels better in hand. HTC has an edge when it comes to audio due to Beats audio system. Galaxy S3 has animated preview in its video player, along with nice feature of continuous video playback while doing other stuff on phone. Samsung comes in more versions, 16, 32, 64 gigabytes, and it is expandable with micro SD card, while One X has only 32 gigabyte version. Galaxy S3 has stronger battery with 2100 mAh of power, and you can easily replace it. Galaxy S3 is also bragging with S Voice software feature, which allows you to have voice command, and it can answer your questions with help from Wolfram Alpha. Both phones have NFC. It is called S Beam in Samsung and Android Beam with HTC. With NFC, you can easily transfer your data or actions. Regarding the software overlay over Android 4.0, HTC has Sense 4.0. It is full of colors and nice functionalities. TouchWiz 4 is Samsung's user's interface. It is up to users to determine which software they prefer. It was the same thing in our lab. Beneath the cover, it is the clash of quad-core processors. One X has 1.5 GHz processor on NVIDIA Tegra 3 chipset. Exynos 4212 Quad is Samsung's chipset, and it has 1.4 GHz Cortex A9 processor. Both have strong integrated GPU. For our battle, we used standard Android benchmarks, Quadrant Standard and Velamo. Samsung was better by not so big margin. HTC was faster in outbooting test. It is fully functional in from 6 till 10 seconds, while Samsung needed up to 25 seconds. Samsung is faster in web browsing. Both devices have 8-megapixel camera with autofocus and LED flash. Also, they have nice feature of HD video recording and simultaneous photo shooting. Samsung uses face recognition and operating system in a way that phone won't go to sleep mode while it tracks your eyes. Samsung has better Now HD front-facing cam. Both smartphones are excellent, strong hardware and big great screens. Quick ice cream sandwich OS with TouchWiz and Sense 4.0. Samsung is bigger and heavier, but with replaceable battery and additional SD card. One X has higher pixel density, more saturated screen, and Beats audio as its advantages. At the end, we gave our vote to Samsung Galaxy S3 due to better benchmark results. Difference between Android superphones is not big, but if you have to choose, it could be a decision helper.